Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace the travel hook on the ZipDee awnings that come with the Airstream. The items that you'll need for this repair are as follows. You'll need a knife to cut the blue thread locker, a Phillips head screwdriver, and the package. I got this one online. I got two of these for less than 28 bucks. In the package, you'll receive a hook, two grommets, one for the outside and one for the inside, a new screw, and some blue thread locker. You can see that the hook's missing and the screw and one of the grommets is left. To access the screw, you need to pull out the awning, and then you'll see underneath is the screw, and mine's still in place, so I'm going to reuse it. But if yours is missing, then they give you a replacement one. I actually decided to go ahead and change out the screw. This one's not in great shape, so just using a pair of pliers, that comes right out, and the old screw falls out. And then the new screw, I put the smaller of the two plastic grommets on, and I put the larger grommet on here, and you just have to screw it onto the threads like you would a nut to a bolt, and it will go all the way down and tighten and hold the screw straight up for you. And I just have to get a screwdriver underneath with the Phillips head screwdriver to kind of tighten it down a little bit, and we'll be in business. And this is the finished product. I tightened the screw, not so that it's tight, but just a little snug, and gave it a little play so that it could slide in and out, and it works out perfect.